Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining our routine meeting of KubeEdge SIG AI. And I'm Zhen, and the temporary host for this week. Um, for those who are new to this meeting, let me give you a brief overview of KubeEdge SIG AI. And it is a special interest group that focuses on cloud-edge collaborative AI, which is a new paradigm of AI development and deployment that leverage the resources and capability of both cloud and edge nodes. And our mission is to explore the advanced architecture design, technical implementation, and standardized solutions of cloud edge collaborative AI. Um, for uh, our CKI, we currently have two sub-projects. The first one is Sedna, and it is a cloud-edge collaborative AI framework based on KubeEdge. It enables developers to implement various collaborative training and inference functions across cloud and edge, such as federated learning, incremental learning, um, joint inference, etc. It also supports um, some kind of migration of current existing AI applications to reduce costs, um, improve, improving model performance, and protecting data privacy on the edge. Um, and we also have Janus. Janus is a collaborative AI benchmarking suite. It provides open source data sets, baseline algorithm, text metrics, and standalone test capabilities for collaborative AI algorithms. It aims to help algorithm developers to quickly evaluate and compare the performance of different algorithms and promote more efficient and effective development. In today's meeting, we will discuss the progress and challenges of um, mainly the LMS mentorship program. Um, in this afternoon, we have mainly two topics, both from our international session. The first is the capacity example installation for Janus. Um, the another one is the assembly project, the industrial embodied intelligence project for Janus, working on the component assembly. Yeah. So let's get started. I see abstract online, and you can start the um, first mentorship project now.
Yeah, thank you so much, Jimu. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah, thank you so much. So I would like to let you know about the progress that I have done so far in this project. So I would like to share my screen.
sure.
Okay. So as we know that uh, I have solved so much issues in the example that on which I was working. I have solved almost 17 issues that were in this example of robot that were different issues of dependency issues and some more issues like that. So after that, uh, there was an issue that I was stuck on. It was about the matrix that it was giving at null value, for which I was trying to solve that from last week, as we have discussed in the meeting also. And we, as I and Sijing, also have a meet to resolve that issue live. But it was not possible to completely solve that issue at that time, and I was also parallelly trying to solve that issue as I can. But thankfully, Sijing has resolved the issue yesterday and updated me on GitHub and also on the mail. So I think that issue is solved, and I will like to implement that implementation on my end today. And I am also thankful to Sijing for that. Uh, Apart from this, I have created the CI/CD pipeline as we have discussed in the proposal. So it is complete. Apart from this, the documentation part, which I was working side by side, that is shown on the screen, is also complete as of now. So I think the thing that is left as of now under this mentorship program is the uh, only the thing that man matrix issue that I need to solve. And this is already told me by the staging, and I will like complete it by on my side and push the code as a PR as soon as possible as I can. So I would like to tell you all about the progress in this week. I fixed imports and try to resolve if I can solve the NAN matrix issue. And I also try to change some task definition and training, and it all works fine. Like imports, task definition, and training works fine on my end as it was earlier also. But evolution thing was failing this time also. So I have try to run benchmark by different methods or try different approaches to solve the NAN matrix issue. But it was I was not able to do it by myself, and I have gone through these many files in my local code to find a way to solve this issue. So this is the current status. The NAN issue is still there, and all other things are valid and working fine on my end. And this is all I have created CI/CD pipeline as I have told you earlier also, and I have written about the workflow etc. already in the documentation part of this. So this is all I would I have have a talk with the Sijing. I would have a meeting with Sijing in this meet or have a separate meeting to implement the NAN matrix issue and resolve it on my end as soon as possible. And then I think almost most of the things will be completed from my end. Robot example will be working fine end to end, and CI/CD pipeline is also completed, but I will check that once after the uh, 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 resolving the NAN issue on my end, and then I will check also the CI/CD pipeline. And for documentation part, I think I have parallelly maintaining the documentation for whatever I have done and what are the issues I find and how I have resolved them. So I think documentation part is ready. If you tell me about if we need documentation in any other format or something else, I will do that also. And apart from this, as I have told earlier, I will be working on other examples after that, as we have also discussed. So this is all from my end.
Okay. Um, so do we have anything to present this week? Because I think the FS Managers program is come to an end, and me and our um, other community members are curious about um, how this project will finally achieve.
Yeah, everything is up to date, but only there is the metrics issue, NAN issue that I have told earlier also. And as I can show you, Staging had resolved that issue. I have raised an issue on GitHub, and Staging have also resolved that and updated it on GitHub 17 hours ago. And I was trying to do so. So I think I will do that, and the example will be completely rectified and it will be working fine. So I think this is the only thing that is left, and all other things are completely fine as of now.
So I also noted that we have a CI/CD pipeline.
Yeah,
Could we have some kind of um, I don't know, demo or some presentations about how the CI/CD process is running?
yeah. So this is all about CI/CD pipeline implementation. I have implemented automated testing infrastructure to detect NaN matrix since it was I was getting NaN matrix issue and prevent regression of 13 fixed issues. So I have defined these five workflows like example validation, PR validation, multi-Python test, and notify on failure and E2E test. Apart from this, I have write three script files, check dependency issues, validate metrics, and test locally. So these are the three scripts and five workflows that I have defined. Apart from this, like I have created a YML lint file that is checking for linting standards. And currently the CI/CD pipeline is checking for the NAND detection issue that I was getting. And apart from this, it is looking for the dependency issues and multi-version testing also is done through that. And this is the architecture of uh, the CI/CD pipeline. This is the pipeline flow that will be working, and this is the validation steps. And apart from this, this is the NAND detection flow that I was getting currently. After I will be fixing the NAND detection flow, and I will update the CI/CD pipeline also according to that. And this is the workflow trigger matrix, and this is multi-Python testing. And I have written these commands to run the CI/CD pipeline also. So this is like about CI/CD thing that I have built.
Um, so um, we, in fact, we cannot have a some kind of demo before the all the codes are merged. But I think we can at least um use this kind of CSD program on on your own GitHub space. I don't know. Have you ever tried that at least in
Uh,
your own GitHub code space to make sure that
uh,
the whole CI/CD progress is working all right?
Not yet. Actually, I was getting that NAN issue. That's why I have not tried it on my GitHub also. I was thinking to
Okay.
resolve that NAN issue first and then run that CI/CD pipeline.
Mm, right. Mm, so I think the overall project progress is falling behind. At uh, um I at least before the LFX management program ends, we at least need to solve the non issue, right? So um I think it better to be solved before Friday, and we need to get our all our code merged this week. So that the all the tutors can um make the evaluation questionnaire be filled. So um please make sure all things are done before I think it's better before Friday. Um it, that is tomorrow. Um
Yeah,
yeah, and the hard deadline would be on this Sunday. So I think you I think you need to hurry up and try to fix the non issue as soon as possible. You can try to connect with Sijing for more information you needed.
yeah. So like I need to solve this issue by Friday and need to make the PR by the Friday also only.
Yes, yes. And I think since you cannot present it right away, and we understand that, then I think you could make also make a demonstration video like Shijing or Dr. Shijing had done on the um GitHub issue. Um,
Yeah,
try to you need to demonstrate two things. First is the okay the overall lifelong learning project is working. The second one would be the at least a simple CI/CD progress is running perfectly. And I think at least on your code space. Um,
Yeah.
I, I don't know, is it clear? Could you live with that?
Yeah, I understand that. Like I have to resolve the NAN issue by tomorrow, by Friday, and also check the CI/CD pipeline and make the video regarding that by tomorrow only. Am I right?
Yes, yes. Um,
Yeah.
and then yeah, you can upload a video to, and then Sijing is also online, so he will take a look at the video you uploaded to make sure that all the things are working good, and um um since all of us are online, so maybe you can show a little bit about the code, um especially the part that you have modified. We can
Oh,
go through a simple code review right away.
yeah, sure, sure. So like I have changed many things, being in like different locations. So I have to recall once like what things I have changed. Like I have made changes in base model.py, one file that I can see. Yeah, yeah. So I have tried to change here the function that was evaluate function that was giving some other type of output. So I have tried to change that function. Yeah, this function, this evaluate function that we are seeing. I have tried to change this function and try to apply different logs so that somehow I can resolve this. So you can see there are some like logs that I have put in here to get it resolved. And I also try to put some other changes in some other functions of this base model.py. As there was some many issues in this base model.py file. Apart from this, there was some issue in the uh, other files uh, benchmarking job dash YML file. I have also looked into it and also made some of the changes here also. And apart from this, there were some other files. Give me a second, please. Hmm. Yeah, I can see it from here actually. What changes I have made. Yeah, there I have defined like issues what I got. There was task definition format mismatch here in module.py. So I have defined it and changed it. Like this was the error message that I was getting, and the root cause was Python, and this returns incorrect class instance. So I have updated it. Apart from this, the second issue that I was getting was GPU dependency in CPU only environment that I have also updated. And apart from this, there was a PyTorch API deprecation issue that I have also solved. Before it was grid image equals to this, and apart from this, I have updated this to this. And there was incorrect file and path configuration. So I have updated this also in the code and incorrect method invocation in lifelong learning.py file there was which we can find here. So it was a critical issue and there was attribute error and so I have as I have told you in the code also that I have changed the attribute in the my evaluate function and there was issue in the return value unpacking mismatch,
Um,
and
okay. I, you have show us the all issue you have solved, but we are currently doing a brief code review, so we need to run to the part you have modified to make sure everything is clear. Yeah.
yeah. So
So,
like
for example, for this issue 6, are there any code you have add to the code space or have have anything revised? You can
yeah,
jump to
this is
the direct you can jump to the direct file, yeah, and show
okay.
us
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Give me a second, please. And that's it. That yes. Actually, this I have made this change before. When I and Sijing had a meet, I think like I have updated the Python version. That's why that thing is not visible at my end currently.
Uh, Hello, Abhishek.
Yeah,
Maybe you can leave the code of lifelong learning part to me. You maybe just show the CI/CD the code of CI/CD which you have changed to
yeah,
new.
sure, sure, sure,
Yeah, yeah, and I can review the code of lifelong learning after you have resolved the non-issue.
sure, sure. So for the CI/CD pipeline, I have created these two scripts. This is a dependency check .py, and this script checks for the dependency issues in the our example. So this is the code that I have written for the dependency check. And apart from this, I have also created a script for the validating the metrics. And this is the code for that checking for the metrics. And apart from this, I have created these five workflows that I have told. This is for the E2E test that I have made. And this is for the example validation thing. This script workflow is for example validation. If example is working fine as our as we thought. Apart from this, we are having a PR validation workflow, which is this. And apart from this, this is for the multi Python testing. This workflow is for multi Python testing. So these are the two scripts and the five workflows that I have made for the CI/CD pipeline thing.
Mm, okay. And in those codes, I see several print function was used.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, as discussed before. Um, our in our project, especially Yanu's project, it has the possibility to we regularly will try to migrate some Janus algorithm to Sedna. So it could be on the running on the cloud services. So we need to make sure that all the bring function was replaced by the logger function.
Okay. Okay.
So that's it, not only for the CI/CD part, it is majorly for the lifelong learning part. So I think you can only see some logger function used in the lifelong learning, right? Can write
Yeah. Yeah.
something similar, yeah, on this. So
So I will do that in this also.
okay.
Okay.
Um are there any comment from Dr. Sizing?
Uh, yes, about the the lifelong learning issue, I maybe you could tell me the current issue you have encountered after you tried the after you tried the resolution. I have commented in the GitHub, and I need you to send me the detailed logs of the issue you have encountered now. So I could maybe help you to analyze which part is has caused the bug. And I think uh, i- if you today I'm a little busy. I'm a little busy today, so maybe tomorrow in tomorrow night, if you still have some problems of the non-issue, we could have a meeting. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Like currently, I'm doing the implementation that you have shared me on GitHub. So I'm
Yeah,
currently
yeah.
doing that thing, and if I encounter any issues, like I will like let you know on mail, and we can have a meeting regarding that thing.
Yeah, yeah, right. And
Yeah,
maybe you could first send me the detailed logs of the issue you have encountered, and uh, I could I could send me the maybe the potential the potential fix of the bug by email, and if it still didn't work on, and then we could have a meeting.
yeah, yeah, for sure. Sure. I'm still working on that thing, like that you have said me on GitHub.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Mm.
Yeah, yeah,
Good.
yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Sijing, and very helpful. And we also appreciate it. Okay. Um, say so. Um, there will be also a hard time for everything this week. Um,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
carry on, and we still have some time for that, and um um uh good luck. Good luck. Um, yeah, and we're looking forward to for your work for the good news tomorrow. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, for sure. Like I'm trying my very hard to like solve all the issues that I encounter, and it takes so much time for me to like resolve that issues. That is the main reason I think, and I will be still working on this thing and like on other examples after that.
Okay. Mm,
Yeah,
good. So I think that is the end to this um session. And then after the whole progress was done, maybe next week, Abhishek can have a presentation of how this work in the next routine meeting. Yeah. We can let the everybody know online or offline um about how this lifelong learning progress is done.
yeah, 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 for sure.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Thank you for your time.
yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks so much. Ian. Thank you so much, Jimo.
Okay. Then maybe we can get to the next topic about our industrial embodied intelligence project from Ronak.
Hello everybody, am I audible?
Yes. Maybe Abhishek, you can release your screen.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure, for sure.
Okay. Then let us begin the second topic today.
My screen is visible.
Yes. Very very clear.
Okay, so I don't know if the mentors have noticed, I have already opened the PR regarding the project. So the complete code is already there. So first let me explain what has happened and what has not. Um, Okay. So the last time the benchmarking was not running, and probably the problem was the CPU issues were there. So for dealing with the CPU issues, I'm using this particular particular Google Colab format so that I could run the benchmarking. And after running continuously more than 25 benchmarkings, I have come to a conclusion that shows something like this. So I could have ran the benchmarking right now, but it takes more than 45 minutes for the entire benchmarking to process the output. So I'm going to show it. I just ran it 2 hours ago. It happens like this. Assembly accuracy results. The YOLO starts the processing. The calculation of the accuracy calculation for each of the episodes starts from the ground truth. Then we get certain tables for per component breakdown. Like for each component, I have one table, two table, like this. For the 5 components, the evaluation completes. We get another box for representing each and every components, the number of frames, images, precision, recall, certain values, and success rate, everything, and the final accuracy.
Good. So I think it is a complete progress. Um,
Yeah.
so I think we have seen a very nice test report and very nice tables. Those are those codes in the uh located in the uh story manager, or where do we put the where where do we put, or what component will call this kind of table printing functions?
Actually, I have added all these things in my metric file. So this is all. See, actually, what happens, the YOLO part and the manipulation part, the algorithms, they process completely and they send the data, and the results are saved at certain places. And those results are again processed by my metric file. The tables are created by my metric file, and certain data is put at certain places.
Um, so we have our YOLO models and other models outputting the inference result, and then the the data will get into the matrix. And my question would be, so which component will call the matrix function? Will that still in I don't know, in the YAML, or maybe you can show us the code. Let us
Actually,
know, yeah, where did you put it?
actually, Actually, this last part of the code, this last part printing, this is what eNVS provides. And this part certainly is by my metric file. I'll show you the code also. Hmm. this part, compact formatting functions. This
Um,
part is actually,
sorry, uh, the 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 screen we see are still on the first page of the pull request.
Mhm.
So are you showing the a certain part of the code, or you are still on the first page of the pull request?
Okay, so my screen is my screen not visible? Right now I'm in Visual Studio Code and I'm showing the code.
Oh, okay. Maybe you can try resharing the screen. Maybe it is fixed on the browser.
Right now.
Yeah, good. We can see the code now.
Yeah, this part of the code, compact formatting functions. This is actually printing the table and putting the data in it, casting the data from the above results, whatever saved, and the Canvas provides the ground truth data, everything, and that's how it's processed and put at the tables in the tabular form.
And in fact, we had for the online version, I have see the acc.python, and I see you have already used some logger on it, but you still have the print functions lab in the
Okay, those
yeah in the
actually
code.
those
Yeah,
yeah actually those print functions are for the table formation.
yeah, and in fact, we need to make sure that the test report is generated totally by loggers.
So there should be no print, not at all.
Yeah, not at all. Because on the some kind of cloud services, we may not have terminals, and it can cause some critical error happen when a cloud instance was running on such kind of code. So we need to make sure that we get rid of
Okay,
the all the print functions.
okay, then I'll have to work on this.
Yes.
Okay, okay, I'll remove all the prints and look for an alternative for this. I don't know if Logo would print everything exactly like that.
Yeah,
Okay,
so I think it is acceptable if you use the logger and to generate all those nice tables and nice reports in a log file. It is acceptable, and if it would be more. It would also appreciate you can make those loggers show on the terminal. It is also very well. Um,
hmm,
but we need to make sure everything is going that can be going so smoothly on the cloud services. So yeah, we need to get rid of print functions.
okay, okay, okay. I'll work on that.
Great,
Um,
great.
Another thing. So after all this thing is done, then there are more outputs that's generated. So I would like to show that too. Uh,
Great.
Apart from the benchmarking results, there are basically the format says that the benchmarking results are saved at Yanvas workspace, a folder called the Yanvas workspace. But I have certainly another folder that's created on while by during the processing of the YOLO part. So I'll show that too. So we get these results actually. I'm not opening the YML files. They are for the processing of the benchmarking files and like they are for the processing of the metric file at the end. I'll show these curves first. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. So the entire end-to-end process, we have the confidence curve for the 5 components. We have the precision confidence curve for the five components. We have precision recall curve for the 5 components. We have recall confidence curve for the 5 components. We have this graphical representation for the 5 components. We have this label format representation for the 5 components. We have a final result of the complete training metric precision for the entire process. This is the YOLO generated part. This shows the YOLO worked well. This is the detection of the 5 components by of certain frames captured at different parts. So we get 1-2 images like this also, YOLO generated images from certain frames or certain pictures, the component detection. So that hence proves that YOLO worked well. This is the work. Rest, there is another output that is regarding the force data, but that's not accessible right. I cannot open them right now because that's just processed by the codes only. It's not human readable. Uh, that's the entire that's the entire output. After that, I see the pull request I've already created. I'll check. I'll make sure the loggers work. I'll be represent. I'll be exchanging. I'll be replacing all the prints with the loggers. That's one thing. And yeah, that's from my side.
Okay. Thank you. Everything is perfect, and I have two questions about the final figures. And where would us plan to put the figure? Will be just the Google Drive, or maybe we can pick put those experiment figures on, I don't know, in the README of our project, or what is your plan to put those
Okay.
nice figures on
Um,
experiments?
so I actually had this question. I wanted to ask this. Should I be attaching these figures with the README file, and I'll be attaching this with the pull request?
Yes, I think that is also um best practice. Then we have our code, and also I have a README file that contains the final results. So I think that is
Okay.
yeah, that they will be appreciated. And then is it possible, I don't know if, or in the future work we can make our story manager try to generate that kind of experiment figures. I don't know.
Hmm. Yeah, quite possible.
Yeah,
It's
I
it's
believe
possible.
you have how yeah, I believe you have already have those matplotlib, I don't know, matplotlib code implementations. Just maybe but those codes are a part of this project, so you didn't include it in the final metrics files. But I think maybe in the future you can put it in and make sure make the story manager more vivid.
My pleasure.
Great, great, great. Thank
It's great. It's great. It's a great thought. I would love to do that. But according to the proposal, it was not asked to touch the core code. So I did not do anything right there.
you.
But yeah, it is a future view.
Yeah, yeah.
Good vision.
I think maybe in the future in the future work you can do that at least, I don't know, in um you can try to put it in the example first, and then um if everything goes well, and maybe we can um extend the the nice functions to the core part. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, that is one option for future work. That the final question from my side is about our cargo. Yeah, the cargo data set. Um, I don't know. We do not have a formal link for Ronald's project, right? On the cargo data sets.
Uh, I have the data set right now with me, but I don't have the, yeah, I wanted to ask that too. I want the Kaggle link so that I could upload it there.
Okay. Maybe you can give me the name of the data set, and then I
Mhm.
will create the data set space for you right now, and then you can upload that to the Janus page. Yeah.
So this is the name, deformable assembly dataset, and uh,
Maybe you can put it on the chat box, and
yeah, definitely. And after that, if so, I need to upload it, right? So I will need the link of that particular space.
yeah. After I create the data set, I will also put the link on the chat box.
Okay. Any more questions?
Um, we
So,
please put the okay. I see the data set name. The for assembly data set. Wait a minute. I'm creating the file. Do you have a cargo account? Oh, so now you have mute yourself, so we didn't hear from you. Hello, Ronak. Um, you mute yourself now, and we didn't hear from you.
oh, okay. Yeah, I have an account. Yeah, this
Okay,
is
great.
there's the ID.
Okay, let me. It's me. No, not 226, and we'll give you the administrator access. Yet I have sent you the okay, and I also put the link um on the chat box, and you can try whether you can open it.
So, do the mentors need a copy of the data set? Do I send to you people to the data set with the email
I think you just
required?
upload all the things on the cargo and it
Okay,
is fine.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, fine. Yeah, it's the form. It's opening. Yeah,
So
the
I think you
form.
you you can edit all the things, right?
Yeah, I will. So the name is deformable assembly dataset.
Yeah.
Why is this the going to create a problem?
Um. Yeah. Because there could be some other yeah assembly project. Um we named it a little bit using the but I think it is fine. Because there are uh, a tons of the other data set using um begin with the third part. Yep. So it's fine.
Okay, so just I need to write update these ports, right? So there's nothing regarding updating of KubeEdge license or anything like that.
Sorry.
Like this particular data set is owned by KubeEdge Canvas. Like, is there any
Yeah.
section where something regarding license is to be updated and all?
Um. In fact, you can just the data sets apart from the code space, so you, you are fine to upload all the data set part. It also includes some discussion area like code and discussions and sessions. You can mention our project uh, on those parts.
Okay,
Maybe I can
okay,
give
I'll do
maybe I
that.
can give you an example.
Okay. Should I stop sharing my screen?
Um, Wait a minute. You can open up the chat box. I have sent you a link. It is another project. Um,
Example.
yeah, we have
Mm,
released another data set 3 years ago. You can see the code and the discussion part. Um, if in fact the code is not done for us, it done by other cargo on cargo. Yeah, but we include
mm,
the benchmarking tools on the discussion part. So
mm,
everybody see that can jump to our Janus project to
mm,
get know of our what we have done, all the codes and the test reports are available on that. So
mm. Okay.
okay, you can try um do something similar to
Mm, okay.
yeah
Okay.
to
Done.
make enrich the old data set. And then once the data set is done and the GitHub um issues like we mentioned just now, the print function was replaced. I think we are good to uh get this pull request merged.
Okay. So come again. Uh, After uploading this pull request, sorry, after uploading this data set.
Yeah, we have two things left before merging the pull request. First is the data set, and you need to
Mm,
enrich the cargo link, upload the data set, and yeah, you may need to introduce the data set, something like that, and make the page the data set page work. That this is the first thing. The second thing would be to fix the print functions mentioned just now, right? Then we see some print functions in the ACC Python, and you may need to fix that and go across all the project to make sure that we get rid of the print functions, and then I think we are good to go.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll try to complete everything by today.
Great. And then but Shijing is not here now. So we need, in fact, as you know, we need 2 LGTM label to get the pull request merge. So after you done these things, maybe you can add Shijing on GitHub, or I don't know if he didn't reply, maybe you can send him also send him an email. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, make sure we can have all the LGTM labels before Sunday.
Okay.
Then after I see 2 LGTM labels, and I will get the whole pull request merged. Yeah. Then we are good to that. And then as uh, but in fact it is best for all of us to make some presentation. The two form of presentation we need to go ahead, and may which may not be feasible right away, but Rona can still prepare that. We can solve it on the next routine meeting. The 2 ways are, the first we can have some kind of presentation video to show the whole project. I understand that the influence of the whole project could be quite kind of it, the whole influence on training progress will be quite long, right? So it will take a long time to present all the whole progress. So I think you can use some, I don't know, some speed up techniques in the video, or you can just do some edit on the video to show just the key parts of the whole progress, but make sure that I think the first the operations the operations is the critical part, and then the how the program works and what it shows in the end is the next critical part for our demonstration. So what our community expected to see in the presentation would be, okay, you type some commands or code to call the whole progress, call the I don't know, the benchmarking job, to launch a benchmarking job, and then it start the benchmarking job, and you can skip some training time that in fact not contain too much information, and then when it comes out to the final result and get everybody see what is coming out what is using this project. Yeah, and then I think the presentation is completed. Then this is for the first part, and the second part would be, as we mentioned from the last meeting, about the blocks, right? So I think Lorna had done a very good job, and I think we can create a blog to show what we have done, and you can start by writing the README. Yeah. I think first we can put it on KubeEdge, the fan page of KubeEdge, and then I was also thinking to recommend our blog to CNCF, so under Linux Foundation, so maybe more people can see this work. Um, but it depends on how everything is going, and maybe you can polish the whole blog a little bit and to make it more like vivid and more formal. Um, yeah, but I think it will also a very important job after the whole implementations. We try to get people um know what is done by Lonac and what we can provide from our community.
That means a lot to me actually, and it feels like the hard work I have put in has given some fruits to me.
Great.
Uh,
Yeah, and I think that will create some technical influence. No, no matter from Lona side and also from our community side, and we are looking forward to seeing um more people getting used the data set and getting used to the whole benchmarking tools and getting things done using your project. So I'm also yeah, quite looking forward to that. Yeah, so but we can start step by step. First, we get this project merged on time. But I think it currently looks everything should go smoothly, and and hopefully we can merge all the things before Sunday, and then we can prepare for the final presentation. Um, Finally you can create the both the video and the blog, and the video maybe we can also put the video in the final blog and to get everybody see how it works, and yeah, I think that could be eye catching, and
mm,
you
yeah,
can take some time to think we how we should give a presentation. I don't know, maybe uh not only a tutorial, but also I don't know, maybe we need a couple of some slides also. I don't know. Maybe you can um yeah, just don't restrict yourself. um take yeah, try to think how should we get this marketing part done. Yeah, but it's quite, yeah, I think it would mean a lot to this to the whole project, and let's discuss it in the following meetings to see how we um, make this project more helpful to people's as well. Yeah.
yeah, definitely. It again feels like a roadmap, but this time for gaining the credits.
Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, we have still some future works to done, but I think that um, the whole project is very successful, and it looks perfect. And then we can try to also make it more um threaded worldwide and make it worthwhile to everybody. Yeah.
Definitely.
Great. Great. Okay. Then,
Okay.
yeah, you can try to fix the data set and the code now, and let's make the project merge first, and then we can discuss the presentation next week maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. So
Okay.
I was asking if in the future if I could or may I get a membership of KubeEdge Envers as a mentor or as a maintainer.
Mm-hmm. Um. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I can also introduce the how the membership of KubeEdge can be achieved. And also all the roles in KubeEdge to you. Maybe I can share the screen. Wait a minute. Can you see my screen?
Yes, visible.
Yes, and when you get to KubeEdge, there is a code space called Cube Community, and then first, when we want to join KubeEdge as the member, you can raise a issue. There's a lot of people also requesting the membership. For example, Martin is also from our SIG AI. After we finish this project, in fact, the community will request us to provide how we have contribute to the KubeEdge project. And this includes the pull request review and author, issued author, and issue responded to. So I think that would not be any problem for Ronak. I think after the whole process is done, and after our this LMS mentorship program is successfully completed, I think you will have some contributions links that can be put in here. So this is for the member part first, and then we have also some roles in KubeEdge, and we are very welcome for more contributor that are trying to get to those roles. I think it would be this one. Yeah, I can say put the link on the chat box, so you can take a look at it. In fact, currently in KubeEdge, we have several kind of role. And first one is member, and that one it can be achieved by making applications to the community code base by raising an issue. So after the issue is clear, and then you can be accepted as the member, and then we will have some more roles that can be achieved. And then a good news is KubeEdge SIG AI are currently call for more reviewers and provers and even maintainers. So the owner part may with on the last TBC meeting, the owner role will be cancelled. So so currently the owner may not open, and in the coming future this kind of role will not exist. And then that means the maintainer is the from the coder side, it would be the highest rank of role in the whole project. And then, but getting the very first condition to get to those roles is that we attend to the QS community achieve the mentorship membership first. So this is the first step, and then the reviewer. As for reviewer side, for KubeEdge, especially SIG AI, we typically will select those from those active members to become reviewers by also the mentorship program. So if Ronak is interested in becoming a reviewer, maybe in fact the LMS management program, as you know, we have 3 times of maybe 3 times a year. Yeah. So um so we are also calling for mentors. And if you are interested of becoming a reviewer, maybe you you can try to raise some topic and let me know, and then we if if the idea is accepted in KubeEdge, and then you becoming also becoming a LMS mentorship mentors in um KubeEdge, and then after 2 mentorship program is done, um uh, and our active members will be upgraded as a reviewer. So this is how it works. Um, if you're becoming a reviewer, as you know, you can put some LGTM labels to other guys, and then we need 2 LGTM labels to get any project accepted, as you know. So yeah, it is a very critical role becoming a reviewer. And then in when you are playing the role of mentors, you can make more code review as much as you can, and let everybody see that you can provide some helpful response to the community, and you can try to respond to those issues to help everybody out. So you are now familiar with the whole code space. So I think that could work for Ronak. So we are also very welcome you to try to maybe, I don't know, next year becoming the reviewer of KubeEdge SIG AI. So this is for the reviewer. For approval side, currently we have how we select a approver. Currently we usually select it from those reviewer that can um that can help everybody out and have some technical insights that when a a mentor that he will help some kind of mentees, right? So when his mentees becoming a reviewer, and our mentors can be upgraded to the approval of the um yeah to the whole project, and even the maintainers. So in fact, the in KubeEdge SIG AI, we don't separate the approver and the maintainer too much, because the what what is the approver and the maintainer also, both of them can provide the approved label, can use the approved label to merge anything in the whole level, whole code space. So currently we do not have too much for the development side. We have to do not have too much um, um, responsibility to differentiate to the 2 roles. There's only one exception. The maintainers will try. It is more of a management role. So he will try to consider what could have done for this year, and what is the leading projects, and how we make the how we make the ecosystems of the whole open source community be enriched, and more people can get in, what kind of activity we can have. It's kind of what that is what differentiate the approvers and the maintainers. That so maintainers is kind of, as you see, the already the owner of the, for example, the Janus or the owner of Sedona. So um those kind of role are still open for both QS Janus and QS Sedona. Yeah. So we are welcoming more young scientists to take a look at the projects and consider how how the how the future will be shaped by our community members. So that is also a very important role as a maintainer. But that will require maybe 2 or 3 years continuous contribution to get through all these roles and finally becoming a maintainer. So it takes time, but I think that is also a very important role. Yeah. And then as I introduced, right, just now, the on the level of the whole Cubase may not exist in the long run future. So what we can target it on would be the all the 4 rows on the screen. Yeah. Of course, when we have the things done, as I introduced just now, then you can seek for the sponsors of the two like approvers and TSC members, something like that. Yeah. Then they can and they will help you out to achieve the higher role of the whole program. Yeah. And as for what they can done and in their roles, you can also take a look at this link. It could give you more insights. But basically, in KubeEdge SIG AI, it was like that. I don't know. Am I make it clear to Ronak, or do you have any, I don't know, questions or advice or something like that?
No, sir. I'm really glad that they gave such a detailed explanation of each and everything. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. You can consider, maybe you can try to apply for the membership after the FS mentorship program done, and then seek for more higher level of roles in QS community. Especially in fact we need more reviewers. We indeed need more reviewers in QS SIG AI. Currently we only have including me we have 3 reviewers. As you know, Shijing is for Janus, and then Tang Ming is for Sedona, and then I myself I also do some review work occasionally. So we indeed we have maybe 8 to 10 projects like this kind of like mentorship or something like that in every year. So yeah, we indeed need more reviewers, and so we are very open to that. Yeah, and then if we can introduce more active members, and we can try to shape the whole future of the QS community. So yeah, so we also encourage our members and try to consider that. Okay, so yeah, that is about the mentorship.
Thank you so much, sir. I
Okay,
have gotten all the things.
great. So then getting back to our project, and so I will looking forward to the final outcome, and let us also discuss the presentation, and I don't know, other kind of opportunities that to see what we can done after the implementation of the projects.
Okay.
Great. So I think that is all for today. Okay, thank you for Lorna for coming. Are there anything we need to discuss?
No, sir. Right now, I don't have any query. I'm very crystal clear. My mindset is everything I know.
Great, great. Okay, so looking forward to your pull request and also the presentation next week.
Well, definitely, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. Um, okay. Then that is the end for our international section, and thank you, Ronak, and also um, just now Abhishek and Shijing for coming. Okay, let's talk next week, and see you guys.